How to change access point in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mobile Service as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage network provider settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Scroll down to the Mobile Network section and tap on Mobile Data Network. You can now view all the APN settings over here in the Mobile Data, MMS, and Personal Hotspot sections. Go to the Mobile Data section at the top. You can now view and change the APN name, username, and password from here. If you want to remove these settings, then scroll down to the end and tap on Reset Settings. Following these steps, you can easily change access point in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.